Hi again, guys. I'm gonna make another video for you all, and today, well, a couple of hours later, say tonight, well, this morning. It's nearly 1 a.m. I'm gonna do a video about antibacterial gel because, just in case you don't have any soap, you can use this. Don't know why you wouldn't have soap, but it says on the bottle, kills, where is it saying that again? Oh, you probably can't see it. So it kills 99.9% of bacteria. So always 0.1 missing. Down here it says scientifically developed for Tesco. Tesco need their Tesco needs their own supply. The Co-op have their own. Anyway, this one's nearly empty. I've used nearly all of it. I'm going to show you how to use it now. I'm doing this one hand again. Just it's all. Open the lid and just oh fuck, and just squeeze. It's really simple. And then just rub it around in your hand. I put way too much on. Oh, it's all from hell. It's running down my arm. Fuck. I'm gonna wash some of this off. But stay safe, guys. Stay safe.